What's up, guys? Back with another review. Right now, we got the Wago 221 lever nuts or Wago. Pros and cons to these. A lot of electricians like them, a lot of electricians hate them. I can understand why. Sometimes they come loose. The pushing ones, at least. But honestly, I haven't had any trouble with these, man. These are the newest to the market. They have such a solid lever in them that when you clamp down, man, that wire is not coming out. You got to make sure the wire is fully, inside the Wago. These Wagos can take up to what, like 14 to the 4 millimeter, 24 through 12. Gauge wire. I like them. They're amazing. They're cool little leather nuts that, you know, they're dope. Saves a lot of time. They're good for light fixtures. They're good for outside boxes. They're good for, these are five wires. They're good for, you don't have to splice all five wires together. Sometimes it's a pain to splice five wires together. You know, you gotta have some practice with it. But this will make the job fly. These are amazing. You guys should check them out. I got these off Amazon. A box of 25. I bought like 3 or 4 of them. Let's see. Let's put the wire right in here. That's how they. That's how they make connection. Levers. They just lever up like that, and you just push them down like that. The wires, honestly, they don't go nowhere. They don't go anywhere. There, you can see 24 through 12 gauge wire. So this is good for residential, like I said, lighting fixtures, junction boxes, places where you're gonna have a lot of wires. In a box, you're gonna have a lot of wires. You can pigtail out of them. You can do a bunch. I like these Wagos. The pushing ones, I can understand why, electricians hate them. Like I said, sometimes they come loose and they cause a big mess. That's why I favor the lever nuts, more than the regular ones, pushing ones, because the lever nuts are real strong on these. I have yet to see one wire come out of these connectors yet. The pushings, I've seen the wires come out the pushings. I've experienced it, but these are amazing. Check them out on Amazon. There's a Wago lever nuts for 5 conductors. They got 3. They got 2. They're a little pricey for for nuts, but honestly, they're good. All right, catch you on the other one.